Well, I guess it's about time for a new bike check. It's been a while, guys. Um, Nothing's changed too much. Got the start of the wheels. Got the proper rim in the front with the stolen roulette, hub in white, Primo spokes. Still got the purple valve caps. Duo tan wall tires that I got at Woodward. Same as in the back. I'll just go back to the back rim. Proper back wheel with Primo spokes. Demolition Rogue back hub. Don't know what kind of chain. It's pretty awesome. It was green and I sharpied it black because, yeah. Profile. Racing cranks. These are purple. Twisteds. Still got the Rogue Status Duo seat with the kink seat post slammed. The Odyssey $1 million sprocket. It's pretty amazing. The frame. It's just painted black for my senior project. And it's a simple Enigma V2. We got right up in the front. We've got Odyssey race forks. Pretty amazing. I love them. With the Odyssey headset, profile push, Mark Malville, Pittsburgh signature. Mark Malville is the man. Got the Cult waffle grips. They're pretty decent. I mean, everyone that touches them says they're too hard, but if you're a man, you can handle it. They're pretty good. They're made by Cult and ODI, like the rest of the grips, and got Perfect 10s. They're awesome. And yeah, so I guess that's about it. Like I said, it's been a while, so here you go. I'll go from the back so you can see how big the bars look. The bars are awesome. Alright guys, later.